Hi, it's Miss Todoric. I want to show you our website. So far, we have our homepage. This is custom beats for everyone. This is student work. So I have 3 students, Alyssa, Emiliano, and Melania, working on this website. And they each have their own different background color, different pictures, different logos. So here, and obviously the music file. So far, we created the title. I just put a picture there. They have their logo. And then we learned how to do the automatic slideshow. So they saved 3 images. And they also added a caption. Nice, wow. And we changed the background color of our website. We typed 3 paragraphs. And then today's lesson, we're going to bold. We're going to bold their names. So I'm going to give Alyssa, Emiliano, and Melania a bold feature to their names. And then lastly, quick review, they insert a music file. And this one is my music file. Let's play it. We'll pause it right there. And now we're going to go to Notepad to bold. This is how you bold. You're going to scroll down. You're going to type right before the word that you want bold. It's just a simple B. Control copy. I'm going to paste it and close it. So I just want to copy that. I'm going to do the same for Emiliano and Melania. And I'm going to copy and paste it right before and after the content that I want bolded. All right, so if we go File, Save As, we save everything as index.html. We save it to our desktop. Save. Yes, we're going to replace the existing file. And then we're going to refresh. And there you have it. You see Alyssa's name, Melania, and Emiliano is bold. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye-bye.